Hey mobile gamers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to tap that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you're always in the loop when we drop new mobile game tips, tricks, and walkthroughs. Today, I'm going to show you a super easy hack method to grab unlimited dice rolls in Monopoly Go, no PC, no sketchy software, and absolutely no rooting or jailbreaking needed. I tested it out myself, and the resources showed up in my account pretty much instantly. It's really straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's dive right in. All right, first things first, you'll need your player ID from Monopoly Go. This is the bit that connects everything, so don't skip it. Just open the Monopoly Go app, tap on your profile, and you'll see your ID there, usually a mix of numbers. Copy it down or take a quick screenshot so you've got it ready for the next step. All good? Awesome, let's move on. Next, open up your browser and go to the website I'm using today. This site has hack tools for loads of mobile games, and it's where all the cool stuff happens. Type in Monopoly. Go in the search bar once you're there and click on the Unlimited Dice Rolls generator. Simple so far, right? Once you're on the generator page, you'll see a short little form. Just choose your device, Android or iOS, and enter your player ID that you saved earlier. Double-check everything to make sure it's spot on, then tap the Connect button. Give it a few seconds while it links to your account. It uses encrypted servers and proxies, so no worries, it's secure. Once the connection's done, you'll be able to choose how much resources you want. Pick an amount that works for you and hit the Generate button. Behind the curtain, it's handling all the complicated stuff, routing, encrypting, syncing, while you just sit back and relax. Almost there. Before the resources drop into your account, there's a quick human check to prove you're not a bot. Usually it asks you to download a free app and do a super quick task, like opening it and using it for a minute. If you're unsure, there's often a video right there on the page that explains exactly what to do. Once you finish that, you're all set. And there you go, that's a full step-by-step guide on how to get unlimited dice rolls with Monopoly. Go hack! If this helped you out, hit that like button and share it with your friends who play too. Stuck somewhere or have questions? Drop them in the comments, I check them regularly, and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video packed with tips, hacks, and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next hack tutorial.